Pesca Vinny Vegan. I'm here for our Monday, Meatless Monday recipe, and today it is meatless. We are doing cheeseburger macaroni in our new house. We just moved, so new venue here. Electric stove, because we're in the country, and I don't usually cook on electric, so this will be interesting. So this cheeseburger macaroni recipe is from Stunning Misadventures YouTube page. I love their recipes. And so we're gonna make it vegan. So I'm gonna put a link below to their original recipe video so you can see it, how they made it. So we've got a pound of super lean ground meat. For us, it is Beyond Beef Beefy Crumbles. And then a tablespoon of cornstarch already put in there. We're supposed to put the spices in. So we need 2 teaspoons of paprika. 1. Maybe the end of my paprika, 2. All right, and then we need 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Got my huge onion powder here from Sam's. I love Sam's. All right, then we need 1 teaspoon garlic powder. You know, I love my garlic powder. It's my favorite thing. Don't want to skimp on it. Make sure I get my full teaspoon. All right, teaspoon of garlic powder. And salt and pepper to taste. Got my little sheet piece here to help me out with that. Salt and pepper to taste. Pepper. Salt. And you know I use sea salt, so that's what this is. All right, then half a package of a sugar substitute. So we're going to use stevia leaf. Half of this little packet here. Let me open it up. All right, Late Chill Stevia, you get in there with your friends. Half a packet. I love cheeseburger macaroni. It's such a classic recipe, and I love that I can make it vegan. Thank you for this recipe, Stunning Misadventures. Let's see. Half of a teaspoon bouillon. I love to use this particular bouillon. It is called Better Than Bouillon, and it's vegan. It says vegetarian, no chicken bouillon. So we need half a teaspoon. It's kind of like a gooey mixture. Get in there with your friends, little goo. All right, and then I've got the water on for a reason, because I need 1.5 cups boiling water. Yeah, get my cup measure over here. I have a pot filler, but I haven't tried it yet, so I don't want to mess it up. I don't know how to use it yet, but it's up here. So I need to figure that out. All right, 1.5 cups, mostly boiling water. Then it calls for 1.5 cups unsweetened milk. So we're gonna use So Delicious dairy-free coconut milk. And it's unsweetened, it says it right there. So 1.5 cups. She used almond milk, but I'm allergic to almonds, so coconut milk it is. Sometimes I use oat milk, sometimes I use cashew milk, whatever I've got available. Today, I have coconut milk. All right, 1.5 cups of coconut milk. Got the bouillon in there, water, spices. And now we need 1.5 cups of pasta. Let me rinse this out real fast. gluten-free pasta. It's actually quinoa-based pasta, so lots of protein there that we got from Sam's Club online. They delivered it to my house. 5-pound bag. And the cool thing about it is you can pick any shape you want. So last time I got, I think, penne, and this time I got fusilli. Fusilli. All right, so we've got our 1.5 cups of pasta. So it says brown the meat, which we already did, and then drain any grease, which since ours was Beyond Meat vegan meat, there was no grease. Then it says add the spices, the cornstarch, the water, the pasta, and the milk, and bring to a boil. Oh, it looks like cheeseburger macaroni. I mean, don't y'all remember the hamburger helper, and it has those little, you know, it looks like this. There. It looks like this looks. Let me see if I can, there we go. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so we want to bring this to a boil. And then once we do, we're going to turn it down to a simmer until the pasta is cooked. Now this pasta, anywhere from 7 to 9 minutes, but I usually err on the lower end. Otherwise it can get mushy, gluten-free pasta can, so I'll probably look at it after 7 minutes of boiling and see what happens. Or, well, simmering. Till the pasta is cooked, and then you add your cheese, turn off the heat, and let the cheese melt. And just so you know, we're gonna do a cup of shredded cheddar. Ours is gonna be the So Delicious plant-based cheddar style shreds that I got from Walmart. Walmart has a lot of vegan stuff now. It's very, very nice. Again, I wish I had smell-o-vision because it smells great. Let me see if I can get the rest of this bouillon to come off here. Yes, that worked, that worked. And make sure we got all the flavors. We probably, instead of water and bouillon, could have done a veggie stock, but I really like this bouillon, the flavor it has, so since I have it, I thought we'd use it. All right, so we're gonna do that. Bring it to a boil and then take it back down to a simmer and let it simmer until the pasta is done. And then we will take it off the heat, add our cheese, and I'll show you what it looks like. So we brought it up to a boil. Now I've brought down the temperature so we can simmer it until the pasta is done. When that happens, I will come back and put the cheese on. All right, so our cheeseburger mac has thickened up. The pasta's done. Let me see. It took about 20 minutes or so, 20, 25, somewhere around there. Actually about 20 for the pasta to cook on that low setting, the simmer setting. And this is gluten-free pasta from Sam's. This is the fusilli version. You can get 5 pounds of whatever style you want. It's quinoa, so it's a good protein. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our plant-based cheddar shreds, 1 cup of those, pour them in here. Remove this from the heat is what it says to do. So turn off our heat here. And then it says to stir in the cheese until the cheese is melted. Let me get it. There we go. Stir in the cheese. Well, the vegan cheese. There's only 3 of us here tonight. A couple of my kiddos are at camp, so I didn't have to double it, but I would have definitely had to double it if it wasn't just the 3 of us, because we need a lot more than that. You know, I usually double and triple and quadruple recipes, and this one I would definitely at least have to double if everyone was here. And basically you just stir until the cheese is melted, and it's already melted. So we've got our cheeseburger mac, vegan, gluten-free. Whoop, whoop. Got a few pieces of cheese that stuck to my spoon here. There it is. It's a beaut. And it tastes delicious. Again, if you had smell-o-vision, I just wish, but it tastes really, really good. So I highly recommend this. This is the vegan version of Stunning Misadventures cheeseburger macaroni recipe, which I'll link to below. Thanks.